In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Microsoft Word on mobile using an Android device. Let's get started by opening the Microsoft Word app on your phone. Once the app is open, locate and open the document where you want to delete a page. If you recently worked on it, you'll probably see it listed under Recent Documents. Tap the file to open it. When the document is open, you'll usually be in editing or viewing mode. First, zoom out a little so you can see more of the content on your screen. You can do this by pinching with 2 fingers. This helps you understand where one page ends and another begins, especially in longer documents. On mobile, Word doesn't show page thumbnails like on a computer. So deleting a page is really about removing the content on that page. Carefully scroll to the page you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you're on the right page, especially if your document is several pages long. Now, press and hold on the first word or item on that page. You'll see a text selection handle appear. Drag that handle to highlight everything on the page you want to remove. Keep dragging downward until all the text, images, and blank lines on that page are selected. If you accidentally select too much, drag the handle back up slightly and adjust until only the unwanted content is highlighted. Once you're sure everything on that page is selected, look for the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard and tap it. All the highlighted content will be removed, and the following pages will shift up to fill the gap. This is how a page is effectively deleted in Word on mobile. If you notice any large blank space left behind, it might be caused by extra line breaks or paragraph marks. Tap in that empty area, then press Backspace a few more times until the gap closes and your pages flow smoothly again. After deleting the page, scroll through your document to double-check that the correct content was removed and that everything still looks the way you want. If you made a mistake, you can tap the undo arrow at the top of the screen to bring the deleted content back and try again more carefully. Finally, don't forget to save your document. Tap the menu or check mark, depending on your version of the app, to make sure your changes are stored. And that's how you delete pages in Microsoft Word on your Android mobile device.